Habibi, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon, sabayan niyo po ako sa aking pagkain ng aking lunch. We have now dried fish. Yan. And then we have rice. And scrambled egg with carrots. And I have a vinegar with chili. Because I like chili. So, of course, hindi yan mawawala sa aking pagkain. Yan. Diba, super sarap siya. Oops, may trapo pa. Wag na lang yung trapo. It's not a trapo. It's not a basahan. It's just for, using for the cover for the pot. Yan, sausaw natin. Tapos po ng kanin. Kamayin na natin. And yummy, yummy. Yan, mas masarap siya pag magkamay. You know, usually I really use my hands when I'm eating. I don't use a spoon. I use a hands. So, huwag yun na lang po akong i-bash. Charot. Okay, magdagdag tayo ng kanin. Yan, napasarap ako sa pagkain. Yan, sobrang sarap talaga siya. It's so delicious. You know, my appetite is good for today because the other day I don't have an appetite. So, scrambled egg with carrots, just try it. It's so delicious. And there's lots of benefits you can get. Yan, subo lang. Subo tayo ng subo. Gusto nyo, subuan ko kayo. Sinong magpasubo dyan ng aking susubuan? Oh my gosh. Yan, sarap ng pagsubo pag nakakamay. Sarap ng kain. And, you know, when you grow up, like you eating really a dried fish or whatever that you used to eat, so you miss it, you know, you will be craving one day. And we have a banana, and we call it tondan. That's 35 pesos only, and it's so beautiful, you know, hindi siya itim. I like banana. I like tundang. Yan. Dagdag pa tayo. Ayan. Dagdag pa tayo ng dried fish. We actually, we have only 3 dried fish that we fry. So, that's enough. Yan. Napasarap talaga yung kain ko. Sarap-sarap. Yan. Dagdag muna tayo ng kanin, mga habibi. Ayan. Nagugutom na ba kayo dyan? Hala, saluhan niyo ako. Yan na, kumakain tayo. Sarap-sarap. Nagkakamay rin ba kayo pag kumakain kayo? Alam mo, kahit may occasion pa or birthday, like in our relatives, even though there's a party, I really use my hands when you eat. I don't care the visitors. Because I feel comfortable when I use my hands. Sorry. Hindi kasi nasasanay na ako magkamay. Well, when I was eating, you know. Okay, anyway, mga habibi, I will off now. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.